Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get into this video, go ahead and give us a big like. Get this video to 100 likes. Hey, if you don't know what we're doing today, we're doing a special 4th of July celebration. We're going to look back at some of our favorite red, white, and blue Jordans that have released over the past. We'll let you start off, my brother.
Right? We're going to start off with the retro ones, the top three, red, white, and blue. Hey, they came out in 2016, and those right there, I was rocking those. Those right there, I was rocking those. Hey, they get a big thumbs up. What you got
Yeah,
for
let us
us?
know in the comments, are you rocking these? So next we have, moving on to the Air Jordan 3. This pair came out in 2018. It's called the Jordan 3 Retro International Flight. Now this is one of the few Jordan 3s that does have two colors on the midsole. It does have that red in the back. Moving up, has that blue in the midsole. Topping off, has that light elephant print featured in a red, white, and blue colorway. Predominant color is white. So let me know in the comments, are you rocking these? Are you dropping these? For me, I love three. I'm a three-man myself, so I'm rocking these all day.
Hey, I'm with you, my brother. I'm rocking them as well. So let us know in the comment below if you're rocking or dropping.
So moving on to the Jordan 4. Fortunately, this shoe didn't do well, and it's still not. You can still get these for a cheap price on StockX. They still haven't bust over 300. So right now on StockX, you can get these for about, in my size 10, about 289. I think one of the things that people didn't like this because it doesn't have a regular cage is missing. They put some type of FIFA soccer like textures in there, and I think it does have that gold Jumpman on the back. I think some people either like that or hate it. So let me know in the comments where you're rocking with these FIFAs when they came out. Like I did have the opportunity to buy, and I do regret this to this day. I was down in Tennessee and we went to the mall and they were just sitting there and telling me to buy them, and then because it was Christmas and we was already traveling, I already spent so much money on Christmas. I feel a little bit guilty trying to buy these for myself. So unfortunately I passed, and I still regret that to this day. So I'm rocking these Jordan 4, red, white, and blue FIFA. They came out in 2018. How about you, my brother?
Hey, brother, I'm rocking those as well. So I give them thumbs up on those. All right, moving on to the next. Hey, we got these Jordan 5s retro low Knicks, right? These came out also in 2016. Right now, 2016 seemed like it was a good year, paying homage to the New York Knicks, right? These here, any sneakerhead, that's out there. This is a good shoe just to have in your collection. For giving homage to the New York Knicks, hey, I'm rocking those. I'm rocking those.
I'm rocking those as well. Sneakerheads, let us know in the comments. Are you rocking these or dropping these? Moving on to Jordan 6, Dornbecker. These came back out in 2019. So this is the Dornbecker 15th anniversary. They came out with this Air Jordan 6. It does come in the red, white, and blue, predominantly blue colorway on that back. Instead of having that Jordan, does has the number 1. I don't know all the particular details on this, but this is a very nice shoe in my humble opinion. Let me know in the comments, are you rocking these or dropping these?
I'm rocking those as well. I'm rocking those as well. So moving on to the next, we got the sevens, right? We got the sevens, the Tinker alternate, right? These came out as well in 2016. Hey, 2016 was a great year, but these shoes here has a different spin to them because this was part of the dream team. MJ doing his thing. They won the gold, Barcelona, right? In the Olympics. Hey, these are a shoe that you must have in your collection. So let us know in the comment below if you're rocking or dropping these. And me, brother, I'm rocking those.
Yeah, I'm rocking those too. So just to give a little recap, we had the Jordan 1 top threes, the Air Jordan 3 International, the Jordan 4 FIBA, the Jordan 5 Low Knicks, the Jordan 6 Dornbeckers, the Jordan 7 Tinker Alternate. Let us know in the comments which one of these were your favorite silhouette in the red, white, and blue colorway. And if you like content like this, click that video right here. And as I always say, as for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.